Here's a trick that will cut 5 years out of your career transition without going back to school. So last year, I spent $10,000 on career coaches. Yeah, 10 grand. I was 47, felt completely lost in my career. And everyone kept telling me I needed to reinvent myself or go back to school for 2 more years. But here's what's crazy. Out of all that money I spent, only one coach actually gave me advice that worked. The rest? They were just recycling the same old playbook that worked 20 years ago. Here's what I discovered that actually moves the needle. The coaches who got results didn't focus on fixing my resume or networking events. They focused on one thing, building what they called bridge skills. See, most people think career transition means starting over from zero, but that's completely wrong. The secret is finding skills that connect your old experience to new opportunities. For example, instead of learning coding from scratch, I learned how to manage digital marketing campaigns. Same strategic thinking I used in sales, just applied to online platforms. The result? I went from feeling obsolete to landing consulting gigs worth $150K in 6 months. But here's the part that blew my mind. The coach who cracked this code was actually 52 years old. She had been through the exact same transition I was facing. While the younger coaches were giving me textbook advice, she understood the real challenges people our age face. She taught me that the fastest path isn't learning everything new. It's leveraging what you already know and adding just the right modern skills on top. Think about it. You already have decades of experience, problem-solving skills, and business judgment. You just need to learn how to apply that in today's world. By 2025, this approach will be everywhere. The question is, will you figure this out now, or will you spend the next 5 years trying to compete with 25-year-olds on their terms? If this is something you want to learn, my course, Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus, shows you exactly how to do it. Link in the description to a free resource you can start today.